We all age, wrinkles, gray hair, slower recovery, changing bodies. But have you ever stopped to ask why do we age? It seems unfair, right? Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, and those cells are constantly dividing, repairing, and replacing themselves. So, why can't these cells just keep regenerating themselves forever? Have you ever wondered about this? So, let's break it down. The truth is that aging is biology's trade off, which means that cells damage over time. See, every time a cell divides, its DNA has to be copied. But like photocopying a paper too many times, tiny errors build up. Now, these are called mutations. So, environmental stress like UV rays, pollution, and even your diet adds more to this damage. Eventually, this wear and tear overwhelms our body and it destroys the ability to repair itself. Second reason is something known as telomere shortening, which is telomeres are like the plastic tips on your shoelaces. They protect your DNA when cells divide. But each time a cell divides, those telomeres get shorter. And when they get too short, the cell stops dividing. It's like permanent retirement for your cells and it leads to aging tissues. Third is mitochondrial decline. We all know mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, but that's not the point here. So, mitochondria are your energy factories which hold all the energy of your cells, and over time they also get weakened. Next is inflammation and immune slowdown. See, as you age, your immune system becomes less efficient. Low grade chronic inflammation increases, known as inflammaging, and that contributes to diseases like arthritis, Alzheimer's, and heart problems. So, why haven't we evolved to stop aging, and why haven't we found out some sort of cure? The answer is evolution cares more about reproduction and not immortality. Once you've passed on your genes, nature has less incentive to keep you alive forever. In fact, aging may clear the way for new generations. But the good news is that today, in this day and age, we understand aging like never before. From fasting, sleep, and exercise to research on senolytics, stem cells, and gene therapy, we are slowly and steadily understanding the science of aging, and we are trying to make aging slow, and we are trying to make our cells last longer. So while we may not be able to stop aging completely, we can age better, we can stay stronger, we can get sharper, and we can do all of this more intentionally, because growing older is inevitable, but how we age, that's a choice.